Hey guys, it's Debbie from RefreshRestyle.com, and today I'm sharing a quick and easy DIY Valentine decor idea. I'm using the polka dot transfer from Chalk Couture, and I cut it down to size. I'm using the white Chalkology paste, and I'm using a small squeegee, and I just place the transfer on top of the heart, and then I use my squeegee to squeegee through the Chalkology paste. And I'm just going to take the excess and put it back into the container when I'm done. After I dry the polka dots, I'm going to add the You're Just My Type transfer on top of that, and you can see that this is silk screen transfer and it's very sticky. It's the first time I've used it, so I'm using a cloth to add a little fuzz to the back. That way it's easier to remove. I'm just going to apply my chalk paste and use my squeegee to squeegee it through the silk screen area. Now I'm going to add a few polka dots around the side of my heart. I'm just adding a little water to my chalk paste, and I'm going to use the end of my paintbrush and dip it in several times as I go around my heart. I think this just adds another dimension, and once I'm finished with it, I'm going to add another clear coat on top so that this is permanent.